told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Sketchy things. Jordan drives one deep to center field. Trout will watch this one. That's into the bushes and straight away center field.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away.
And he drives one deep to right field. Forget about it. 44 is back. Jordan hits one high and deep to right field. That ball is gone. Home run. He had that huge first game of the homestand. Jordan hits one high in the air to right field. Well hit. Back goes Garcia. Gone. There's another line drive base hit to left. Being waved around is Jordan high. Jordan's throw will be in time out at home plate. Yordan Alvarez from left field got another opportunity and he throws it.
Yeah, that home run he hit to center field.
Now Jordan drives one to left field. That ball's gone with a 5 spot here in the 6th inning. Jordan, high fly ball to straightaway center. That ball's deep. That ball's deep and gone into the flight deck. That ball's drilled deep to right field. Jordan Alvarez hits it out. Number 7 on the year.
474. This was hit high in the air to center field. Rodriguez racing back, looking up.
The Astros defense is very good.
This ball driven deep to left field. Alvarez all the way back at the wall. Leaps and he makes an incredible catch. Jordan Alvarez leaps up and saves a run for Jose Urquidy and the Astros. Jordan floats one to center field. All the way back goes Gordon near the wall. And he'll leap up. It's gone. Home run. As he sends one deep to left center field. All the way back is Gordon near the wall. That ball's gone into the bullpen. Jordan in center field. Robles going back all the way back. He'll look up. That ball's up by the W on the batter's eye.
Go out there and get you some more.
That ball drilled to left field. Back goes Verdugo. He's going to watch this one go. That ball drilled deep to center field. All the way back, Garcia. That ball is off the wall. Bregman to third. He's being waved around. Here comes the throw. No, it'll be held. Bregman's safe. Astros take a 3-1 lead. Jordan Alvarez.
This did not exist.
Oh my goodness, this is crushed way up there towards Mount Davis. Off the facade of the second deck. First, second most in the AL. This ball crushed to right center field. Forget about it, he's done it again. There's a line drive base hit into right center field. In comes Gurriel. In comes Altuve. Here comes Alex Bregman. He's going to score. A bases clearing double by Jordan Alvarez gives the Astros the lead in the ninth. Jordan hits one to center field. He smoked that one as well. Isbell back. That ball's gone. Home run. Into left field, sending Alvarez back. Still on the move. Jordan reaches up and makes a fine play on the warning track. Jordan Alvarez making an over-the-shoulder catch to take one away from Andrew. Oh, another one. Yes, timing is everything. A bullet into the corner. Jordan can cruise into second. The ball hangs up in the corner there, and Jordan's going to go for 3. The big man slides in with a leadoff triple.
He has absolutely turned into must-see TV.
Oh my goodness, this ball is absolutely torched down the right field line. Home run for Jordan Alvarez. Jordan drives one to right field. Back goes Trammell. He's at the wall. He'll jump. This ball is gone. Home run. That ball into left field. Back goes Winker. Still going back. It's over his head to the wall. Jordan Alvarez will double in Alex Bregman. There There's a line drive, base hit into the right field corner. Altuve will score, Brantley will score. Bregman heading to third, he'll be held up, a 2 RBI double.
We didn't see it there.
Hot shot right over the glove of Diaz. Rounding third and heading home to throw the play at the plate. He's out. Runner goes. Alvarez. It's high. Back at the wall goes Vaughn with the leap.
Lines it up as Yordan crunches one. Welcome back, big man. Oh, that ball's crushed. That ball's into the bullpen. Gone. That ball's destroyed. Second deck. 2 on and 1 out. That ball ripped to right field. Gallo looking up. It's gone. Yordan has done it again.
2 from Chasen Shreve.
Yordan hits one high, hits one deep to center field. Back on it, Nimmo. He's at the wall. He'll watch it go. On Alvarez. Yordan tries one deep right field. An explosion off his bat. Sets off the 4th of July celebration. Sends this one into left field. Yordan Alvarez will back up a step or two. Tagging at third base is Dozier. The throw by Alvarez is in time. He made an incredible throw. And Baldy made an incredible tag. The man walked it off last night.
All the way around.
Now he sends one deep to left field, all the way back, Benintendi and gone! Minute Maid Park again with Yordan digging in. Yordan sends one to left field, all the way back. That ball's gone! Yordan Alvarez in the starting lineup. Yordan goes the other way. This ball's gonna end up in the Crawford boxes. Run his last time up. Yordan hits one to deep left center field. Back goes Hicks. He's near the wall. It's off the wall. That'll be a 2 RBI double. The big man, a home run and a double just off the IL. As he sends this ball to center field, back goes Dylan Moore, still going back. That ball's carrying, it's gone. Oh, that ball's launched deep to right field. Yordan Alvarez pummels another baseball here in Oakland. He hits one high, he hits one deep. Kyle Lewis looking, that ball is gone! Get a big lead. Ground ball, that's a base hit and a game winner. Astros walk it off. Yordan Alvarez continues to be the main man in the Astros lineup.
But I worked on it a lot because I felt like that was one of my weaknesses.
They get a rifle. That was a loud shot, and we're tied up at 3.
11 left-handed hitters.
That ball smoked to center field. That'll be a 2 RBI base hit for Yordan Alvarez. Astros tie the game up at 2. Yordan hits one well deep to left center field. All the way back and off the top of the wall and gone. That ball's gone. We told you it was just a matter of time that he was getting close. Sends one past Pena into left field. Alvarez has a great arm. Here comes the throw. And he is safe at home plate.
I don't think Phil understood.
The runner is out.
Yordan hits one high, hits one deep, all the way back and gone.
Alvarez to center. Brown racing back towards the track. It's going to go over his head. McCormick racing around third, getting the go sign from Gary Pettis. He will score, and it's a 2-out RBI double for Alvarez.
That outside edge, or if he brings that slider, my goodness.
That ball's crushed deep center field, all the way back and gone. Pretty well hit again, center field, back goes Brown. Forget about it. The bullpen. And Yordan, give him a free spot. Forget about it. The longest home run of the night. And keep a hitting streak alive. There's a ball drilled to right field. Yordan's done it again. His 4th home run the last 2 games. That ball hit well to left center field, all the way back. Dermis Garcia at the wall. It's off the top of the wall. 2 will score. Here comes Pena. He's going to score. A bases clearing double for Yordan Alvarez. Hits this ball pretty well to left field. Dermis Garcia, who's never played left before, will back up. It's off the top of the wall. Altuve being held up at third as Garcia still has to throw the ball in. And now
in the air, left field, deep, slicing. Kelnick will turn. This ball's off the wall. It's going to score two. Sent one out of here. And that one in the left field, a base hit. Suarez with a single. And France, the throw to the plate. He is going to be out. What a throw by Alvarez. France not blessed with great speed. And Alvarez cuts him down. Got to close it on a Tuesday. Alvarez launches deep right field. And this one is gone. And the Astros walk him off in game one. That one's hit well deep into left field, and Alvarez has done it again! Oh my goodness! He has put the Astros in front! Montero delivers. That one's hit well to left. Alvarez closing in. He makes the catch. Suarez hit it like a bullet, but right at Alvarez. Astros down a run. Alvarez shoots one through the hole. Base hit. Altuve on his way to the plate. Judge's throw will come at the second. The Astros have tied it. Yordan Alvarez.
In the air the other way. Schroeder goes back onto the track. He's under the wall and it's off it. The Astros all over things right away. About 3 straight doubles and a 2-0 lead.
0-1.
A breaking ball is golfed to left center field. Alvarez back onto the track. Up the wall. He's got it. The park just large enough to hold it. Sky-scraping drive. On a 2-1, Alvarez hits a high drive center field. Veerling's back. This game is turned upside down.
In a series, the better chances start going to the hitter.
To hit him up there.
No, I don't think I didn't think that was possible.
Another look at a 4.